Okay, now we're gonna get the regular passenger elevator. This was modernized. This used to be a scenic elevator decades and decades ago. Yep, look at what they did, they converted it to a non-scenic elevator. Probably about 20 years ago is when this happened, I think. Not sure when. That's my prediction. Let's get off at 1. Still has the original bell. Look at this. See, you were able to see the shaft move a little bit. See how it's not scenic anymore? But the window still kind of moves. But we're gonna get off here.